Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about behind-the-scenes moments from the upcoming Ryan Murphy legal drama All's Fair. Kim Kardashian recently opened up about her experience working alongside Hollywood icon Glenn Close, and let's just say, she was completely honest about how nervous she really was. In a recent episode of The Kardashians, Kim revealed that before shooting one of her biggest scenes in All's Fair, she was scared speechless to act opposite Glenn Close. Yes, the legendary actress known for unforgettable roles in Fatal Attraction and Cruella de Vil, Kim explained that she had a huge, emotionally charged scene with Glenn in the show's second episode, and the thought of going head-to-head with one of the greatest actresses of all time was intimidating, even for someone as confident as Kim. She laughed while saying, "We're talking about Cruella de Vil here. I mean, it's Glenn Close. Who wouldn't be nervous?" That honesty immediately made fans relate to her on a whole new level. Despite her fame and years in front of the camera, Kim showed that stepping into the acting world alongside legends can still be nerve-wracking. For those who don't know, All's Fair is Ryan Murphy's next big television project. It's set in a glamorous, high-stakes world of Los Angeles law, following an elite, all-female law firm. Kim stars as Allura Grant, a fierce and stylish divorce attorney who's both powerful and compassionate. The show also features a powerhouse cast including Glenn Close, Sarah Paulson, Naomi Watts, Niecy Nash-Betts, and Teyana Taylor. It's already being called one of the most anticipated dramas of the year, with its mix of sharp storytelling, elegant visuals, and powerhouse performances. What makes Kim's confession even more endearing is how transparent she's been about her preparation. She's been working with acting coaches, balancing filming with her legal studies, and putting in serious effort to prove herself as more than just a reality TV personality. Many fans have noted how much she's grown as a performer since her appearance in American Horror Story, Delicate, where she played a bold Hollywood publicist. But this time, All's Fair offers her a chance to showcase a deeper, more emotional side. Even Glenn Close herself spoke about working with Kim. She mentioned that she didn't give Kim any acting advice, explaining that she respects Kim's own creative process and the multiple roles she juggles as an entrepreneur, a student, and a mother. Glenn praised Kim's dedication on set, saying she was fully committed to her character and willing to learn every step of the way. That mutual respect between the two stars is one of the reasons fans are so eager to see their on-screen chemistry. Behind the scenes, the cast seems to have developed a close friendship. Glenn shared that they even had a cozy pajama movie night where the All's Fair cast watched Fatal Attraction together, a film Kim had surprisingly never seen before. It became a fun bonding moment, and according to sources, it helped Kim relax and connect more deeply with her castmates. Now that All's Fair is just weeks away from its premiere, excitement is building fast. The show will debut on Hulu on November 4th, 2025, and audiences can't wait to see how Kim steps into her role as Allura Grant. From the stunning red carpet looks at the premiere, where she arrived in a structured Schiaparelli gown alongside her mom Kris Jenner, to her honest behind-the-scenes confessions, Kim has managed to capture both glamour and authenticity. Her openness about being nervous shows a side of her that fans rarely see. It's a reminder that even global superstars have their moments of doubt, but what matters most is pushing through and facing those challenges head-on. With Glenn Close as her scene partner and Ryan Murphy guiding the project, Kim's new chapter in acting could easily become one of her most impressive transformations yet. So, what do you think? Are you excited to see Kim Kardashian in All's Fair and curious about her big moment with Glenn Close? Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think this role will redefine her acting career? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story and love hearing about the latest Hollywood news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means the world, and there's plenty more exciting content coming soon.